Hello children, as you all know and even I know that whenever it comes the turn of geometry, children are scared. Why? Because in geometry, if we look in general, there is no as such formula which you will memorize and apply and get the answer. You have to learn the concept behind it. So today I am taking the session of congruence, and first of all I would like to show you the difference between congruency and similarity. Now difference between similarity and congruence. Similar shapes are the two shapes which can look wise same. Like if you draw this triangle and a very small triangle, these two are similar figures. If you draw a large circle and then you draw a small next to it, they are similar shape. But in congruency, not only the shape matters, not only the shapes matter, what else matter is of shapes as well as size. Size also must be same of geometrical figures. When we talk about congruent figures, two line segments are congruent. Say this is AB, this is CD. They are congruent if they have the same length. If they have the same length. Two angles are similar. Congruent. Two angles are congruent if their degree measures are same. Here we can write same length, same degree measure, then two circles are congruent if their radii are same. Radii is the plural of radius. If their radii are same. Fine. Two squares are congruent if they have the same side. Likewise, if we see two rectangles are congruent if they have same length and breadth. If they have same length and breadth. Length and breadth are same, then they are congruent. So what we have seen for all these 2D shapes, either one dimension is involved, like in case of line segment only length was involved, in angle degree measure was involved, in square side was involved, in circle radii involved, in rectangle length and breadth are involved. But there is a big but. This big but is a triangle. A triangle has 6 main parts. They are 3 sides and 3 angles. How to prove two triangles to be congruent? So for proving two triangles congruent, we have created some certain criteria involving 3 of component. Out of 6, 3 of one triangle component with other corresponding components of other triangle. So in case of congruency, not only one or two dimensions are required, three are required. Those three may be all three sides, two sides, one angle, two angle and an included side, and right angle triangle. For right angle triangle, right angle, hypotenuse and side. First rule of congruency is SSS. That means side, side, side. If all three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle. Now you will ask, from where this corresponding word? So this corresponding word comes like the one which has single cut is corresponding to single cut, double cut is corresponding to double cut, triple cut corresponding to triple cut. But still I can tell you, if I write ABC congruent to triangle PQR, then vertices, if it is written like this, you are not going to change, then vertices correspondence A will correspond to P, B will corresponding to Q, and C will be corresponding to R. These are vertices correspondence. When you take side, side AB is equal to side PQ, side BC is equal to side QR, and side CA is equal to RP. Angle correspondence, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. This is how. So now in first rule SSS, what is happening? See, two triangles are congruent only in one position. One and only one position. The moment you will change the position, they will not be congruent. Congruent triangles will not be congruent if you will change their position. For example, I have taken, see, this is ABC. I am writing triangle ABC. First of all, let's write in triangle ABC and PQR. In the beginning, you can take names anyhow. Triangle PQR. Now, side single cut AB is equals to QR. Then double cut BC is equals to PR, and AC or CA is equals to QP. Means all three sides हमको it is given, हमको given है कि ये three sides equal है in three sides के, ठीक. And therefore what we will write now, we will drag this triangle and try to set on this such that, मतलब इस तरीके से कि सिंगल कट वाली साइड सिंगल कट पर आ जाए, डबल कट वाली डबल पर सेट हो जाए, और ट्रिपल कट वाली ट्रिपल पे सेट हो जाए. तो now you can say A is the vertex from where single cut and triple cut is moving. So here Q is the point from where single cut or triple cut is moving. That means A is corresponding to Q. B is the point from where single cut double cut is going. R is the point from where single cut double cut going. R. So this is Q. So ultimately when you write triangle congruency, this is the symbol of congruency. You will write triangle ABC congruent to triangle QRP. No, QR, this should be P. C के साथ P. QRP by SSS rule. बेटा बिगनिंग में यू कैन टेक ट्राइंगल्स, आप किसी भी नेम में ले लीजिए ट्राइंगल, लेकिन एंड वाला जो आप लिखेंगे दैट ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, देयर दिस correspondence should be established, it should be visible over there. I hope you have understood the first criteria of S congruency, SSS rule.